Good morning, culinary enthusiasts. If you're looking to optimize your mornings with the ketogenic lifestyle, you've come to the right place. While a low-carb breakfast may seem restrictive, the truth is that it opens the door to a world of satisfying and energizing options. Let's explore some delicious ways to fuel your body and mind with exceptional keto-friendly breakfasts. Elevated simplicity, the perfect cloud egg. Light, airy, and visually stunning, cloud eggs are a simple yet sophisticated breakfast indulgence. The contrast of fluffy egg whites and a rich, golden yolk creates a delightful balance of textures and flavors. Ingredients: serves 1. 2 large eggs. Pinch of salt. Pinch of cream of tartar, optional, for extra stability instructions. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Carefully separate the egg yolks from the whites. Whip the egg whites with salt and cream of tartar, if using, until stiff peaks form. Create nests on the baking sheet using the whipped egg whites, forming a slight indentation in the center of each. Bake for 3 minutes. Gently place a yolk in the center of each nest and return to the oven for another 3 minutes, or until yolks are set to your preference. Season with additional salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. The nutrient powerhouse, customizable keto smoothie. Need a healthy, on-the-go breakfast solution? A well-crafted keto smoothie is packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Here's a foundational recipe to inspire you. Ingredients: serves 1. 1 cup unsweetened almond or coconut milk. Handful of baby spinach or kale. Half cup frozen mixed berries. 1 scoop unflavored protein powder. 1 tablespoon nut butter, almond, cashew, etc. 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds. Pinch of cinnamon. Keto-friendly sweetener to taste, optional, such as stevia or monk fruit instructions. Combine all ingredients in a high-powered blender. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. Enjoy immediately or store in a sealed container for a portable breakfast option. Make a head marvel, savory egg muffins. These versatile egg muffins are a lifesaver for busy mornings. Prepare a batch in advance and savor the protein-rich goodness all week long. Ingredients: makes 12 muffins. 12 large eggs. Half cup heavy cream. Salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. 1 cup shredded cheese, your preference customizable add-ins, crumbled cooked sausage, diced bell peppers, sautéed mushrooms, etc. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 12-cup muffin tin. In a large bowl, whisk together eggs, cream, salt, and pepper. Stir in shredded cheese and your desired add-ins. Distribute the mixture evenly among the muffin cups. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the eggs are fully set. Allow to cool slightly before serving or storing for later enjoyment. Remember, keto cooking encourages experimentation, so let your imagination run wild. Get creative with add-ins and flavor combinations. If you enjoy these recipes, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and inspiring keto meal ideas.